Constantine Metal Resources.
The company went public in August of 2006. Garfield McVeigh and myself were the founding directors. The initial drill campaign verified ideas presented to the company by Darwin Green as part of his Master's Thesis program. Subsequent drilling campaigns have led to the discoveries that we now have and the resource that we continue to grow. We look forward to the expansion of these resources and the exciting development of our company.
Constantine Metal Resources. Constantine Metal Resources Limited has a 100% interest in two exceptional projects located in world-class exploration environments where management has strong familiarity and expertise. These include the Palmer Project, where the company has a major new copper, zinc, silver, and gold discovery, and the Monroe Croesus Project, a past-producing mine property that yielded some of the highest-grade gold ever mined in Ontario. The Palmer Project, Constantine's flagship property, is located in a very accessible part of southeast Alaska with good logistics, including direct access to Pacific Rim concentrate markets via 60 kilometers of existing road connecting the project to deep-sea port facilities in Haines, Alaska.
The Palmer Project is in a belt of rocks that's known to host world-class deposits, notably Greens Creek, which is an operating mine to the south of the Palmer Project, and the Windy Craggy deposit off to the northwest.
We think if you're going to look for VMS deposits, there's no better place to start than a belt that hosts one of the world's richest as well as one of the world's largest VMS deposits. Constantine has rapidly advanced the project since discovery in late 2007, and in January 2010 we came out with our first resource estimate. Using a $50 per ton cutoff, we have an inferred resource of 4.75 million tons. Using a slightly more conservative $75 per ton cutoff, the resource stands at 4.12 million tons, grading 2% copper, 4.8% zinc, 0.3 grams per ton gold, and 31 grams per ton silver. Looking at our initial inferred resource, we've got three main zones. We refer to as the South Wall Zone, zones 1, 2, and 3. And then on our upper limb, there's the RW zones, RW East and RW West. What you can see is all the zones are wide open to expansion. Shown here is our 2010 target area, but ultimately there's much bigger potential here, and that exploration potential is highlighted here with the extent of the RW horizon shown here in pink, and the South Wall horizon shown here in red. The Palmer resource compares well with active VMS mines in North America, and amongst the VMS explorers, Palmer represents one of the higher grade exploration projects. Recent studies have indicated coarse grain mineralogy and a likelihood that mineralization of Palmer will yield good recoveries with high grade concentrates at relatively low milling costs. Our immediate focus is to expand the new resource. Constantine has defined a significant deposit with just 32 holes, and with all zones open to expansion, we're extremely bullish on the near-term potential to define additional tonnage. Longer term, with numerous mineral occurrences across the 64 square kilometer property, we believe there's excellent potential to define new additional deposits. Alaska has a long history and culture of mining, a very supportive state government, and a well-established and well-managed mine permitting system. I've experienced this personally, recently overseeing the permitting and construction of an underground exploration program, also located in southeast Alaska.
Palmer represents an early-stage discovery with attractive grades and significant size potential. With the widths of mineralization seen to date at Palmer, each new drill hole step-out has the ability to significantly add value to the company.
Constantine is a company with great people, great projects, and a great discovery in southeast Alaska.
Constantine Metal Resources.